Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you another brilliant brain teaser. If you want to try, you can pause the video and you can try. Thereafter, you can check my answer. Okay, so now let us see the solution here. First of all, I am taking root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus and so on equals to root of x into root of x into root of x into and so on as some a. I am taking as some a. Okay, first of all I am going to consider this part. Observe that part. Okay, so I am going to take root of x into root of x into root of x and so on up to infinity as a. Okay, now let us do squaring on both sides for this. If you do square on both sides, you will get root of x into root of x into root of x into so on up to infinity equals to a square. If you observe this part and this part, both are same, therefore this part we can replace with a. So x into a equals to a square. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get a into x minus a equals to 0, it will come. Therefore a equals to 0 and a equals to x, it will come. Here we got two cases. In two cases we are going to solve the problem. Okay, so let us take the first case. The first case is a equals to 0. Okay, a equals to 0. That means this is equals to 0 and this is also equals to 0. Here I am going to take this 2 now. This equals to a, I am taking first one equals to a, I am going to take. Therefore root of x into, I am taking x plus root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus and so on up to infinity. This one we have a from the first step. So this a value we are taking 0, therefore let me write here 0 and do squaring on both sides. If you do squaring on both sides, you will get x plus root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus so on. You will get 0 square, it is 0. If you observe this part and this part, both are same, therefore this part we can write as 0. This part we are writing as 0, therefore that equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 0. This is one solution for x. X equals to 0. Here x equals to 0 is one solution. Now we'll go for the second case, that is a equals to x. A equals to x we are going to take now. So the second case is a equals to x. That means from the first step, root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus and so on up to infinity is, we have a. So this a value we are going to write as x. Now do squaring on both sides, you will get x plus root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus and so on. So here we have x square. Now if you observe this part and this part, both are same, therefore this part we are going to write with x. So x plus x equals to x square. If you simplify this, you will get x square minus 2x equals to 0. Therefore x into x minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore from this you will get x equals to 0 and x equals to 2. Here we got two values of x and here Here one value we got, this is already we are getting there. Therefore, the final value of x is x equal to 0 and x equals to 2. So the value of x which will satisfy this brain teaser is x equals to 0 comma 2. I hope you have enjoyed this infinite sequence of square roots. Thank you for watching this video.